I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what happened to Confederate soldiers after the war. Many faced immense challenges upon returning home. Their communities were often devastated, and economic opportunities were scarce. They struggled with poverty, destroyed property, and the loss of their former way of life. Rebuilding was a long and difficult process for these individuals and their families. After the conflict, most Confederate soldiers received pardons, restoring their civil rights. However, high-ranking officers and officials often faced temporary restrictions, including disenfranchisement. Some prominent leaders were briefly imprisoned. The 14th Amendment also played a role, impacting the political eligibility of certain former Confederates for a period, though many eventually regained full rights. To rebuild their lives, many former soldiers turned to agriculture, often becoming tenant farmers or sharecroppers. Others sought new beginnings by migrating westward, hoping for better economic prospects. Veterans also formed benevolent societies, providing crucial support and camaraderie. They actively participated in rebuilding their communities and the infrastructure that had been damaged during the war. The experiences of Confederate veterans profoundly influenced Southern identity and memory. They established numerous monuments and memorial associations, preserving their version of history. Pension systems were eventually created to support indigent veterans and their widows. Their collective stories and sacrifices significantly shaped regional narratives and cultural traditions for generations to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.